Okay, so here's Fowl, Part 2. My battery ran out, so I had to start another video on it. Change the battery over. So that's pretty. Yeah, now this one here is pretty grayish looking. Look at that. Like he's walking around with his own slippers. You know, some people actually keep these as house pets in the house. They really want their eggs delivered to them freshly. Oh, look at that one. It says, hello. What is that? What is that? Is that something to eat? Yum, 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 yum. I don't think I'm going to leave it because he's too curious. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, and there's the little one. So pretty. Yeah. Oh, you are really nice. I love this one. Look at the colors. His own little slippers there. Tail. Oh my God. A little bit of turquoise in the tail. So pretty. Oh, that is nice. We got this one. It's all fuzzy black. I think that one there is pretty. Oh, that one's cute. It's a beautiful color. Yeah. That one's got its own little chapeau. Yeah, I already got my earmuffs on for winter. Yeah. Oh, I kind of like this one too. Look at all gray. Yeah. Say hello. Hi. Yeah. And then look at this one. Ooh. Look at the colors and the feathers. That looks so funny. What are you doing on the other side? Turn around so we can see you. Huh? What are you doing? Must be cleaning himself. Isn't that something? Just like a pile of feathers. Hello. Hi. Where you been? Cleaning? Kind of hard to clean all these feathers in your face, huh? Yeah.
I ate one of these.
Alright.
Yeah. And then I had a little chicken in bread.
There you go.
What's with its feet?
Alright. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing these to you. Be sure to sub me and bring you some more. Yeah. So pretty. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. So pretty. Yeah, you're the prettiest. I like you. So beautiful. Look at the colors. Love this one. Beautiful colors. This is the best one out of them all that I've seen. I really love the combination of all the colors and everything. A little bit of everything. Beautiful.